Hey everyone! Today we're building a unique wooden art car completely from scratch. Let's see how it turns out. First, we start by designing the car. Keeping the shape simple but stylish for easier building. Now we cut the wood according to the design. Precision is very important in this step. Next, we assemble the car body using glue and nails to make it strong and durable. Now we attach the wheels and add small details to make the car look more realistic. We smooth the surface by sanding and then apply polish for a clean finish. And here is our wooden art car. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.